So, welcome to today's session, guys. So, till now, we have seen how to create an object and how to create a field and how to create a records. And also, we have learned about how to control the object permissions and field permissions using profiles and permission sets. Okay, these are the things we have discussed in a high level. Today we are going to discuss about we are creating records, right? For each and every object, we are creating records, right? For example, on the account object, we have many account records, okay? On the contact object, we have some contact records, okay? The same way, for each and every object, we have a set of records. Okay. Now, my requirement is I would like to control these records viewing or editing. Okay. Is it possible, guys? Is it possible till now? Um, till now, whenever we want to control some settings, we are using either profile or permission sets, right? So using profiles and permission sets, can we control record level sharing? That means my requirement is simple. If I am the marketing user profile, I would like to see only some set of contacts. Okay. Like I can say, I would like to see the contacts which are just VP facilities. Okay. Title is VP facilities. If I am the marketing user, I would like to see only contacts which are having the title of VP facilities. If I am the finance user, I would like to see the contacts which are having title of SVP operations. This means depending on some profile users, I would like to control the records, the number of records that they would like to see. So, is that possible in profiles or permission sets? Absolutely, it's not possible in profiles and permission sets. Okay, using profiles and permission sets, you can control the list of applications that you can view. Okay, the same way you can control the objects, like what all objects that you can see and what is the tab visibility that you can control, page layouts you can control, record types you can control. Uh, and other things that you can control is did this lightning experience or classic experience, that is also can controlled by the profiles and permission sets. Like did they have the ability to provide reports and dashboards? Okay, such things we can control, and what all different fields that they can access, whether they have edit permission or just view permission on the fields, that is also you can control. But using profiles and permission sets, you can't control how to share the records among the profiles. Okay, what then if it is not possible using profiles and permission sets, then what is the option? My requirement is I have to control records depending on the some criterias or some profiles. Okay, the option we have for this is the sharing settings. Okay, sharing settings we generally use only for the record sharing, guys. Okay, using sharing settings, we can't control the objects or custom fields, like customer standard fields, record types, page layouts. Nothing is controlled by the sharing settings. Sharing settings are designed only for the controlling of the records sharing. Okay, in the interviews they'll ask you like, can I control the records using profiles and permission sets? Otherwise, they'll ask differently. I would like to control the record sharing. What is the possible ways? Never and ever tell using profiles it is possible, because it's not possible using profiles or permission sets. It's always sharing settings. We have to use sharing settings. Okay. How can I access the sharing settings? We can go to the setup and then there is a sharing settings. Under the security, there is an option sharing settings. We use these sharing settings just to control the records access. Okay, we will not control any other access, objects, field permissions, page layouts, record types, whatever the concepts till now we learned, we can't control using sharing settings. Sharing settings are especially for the records sharing. Okay, and profiles and permission sets are for other things, objects, custom fields, page layouts, record types, lightning pages, all these things that can be controlled using profiles and permission sets. Okay, so there is a concept of sharing settings for the record level record sharing. Now we will see what all the different things that we have on sharing settings. Like I told you, right, there is no interview without mastered question on the relationship fields. The same way, there is no interview without asking question on this sharing settings, guys. Okay. You don't expect even single interview that they will not ask about this sharing settings. 100 out of 100 interviews, they ask questions on the sharing settings. They ask questions on the relationships. Okay. So now we will just move on. What is sharing settings? So sharing settings, as I told you, we use this sharing settings to control the records sharing. Okay, records sharing. So now we will go with the key terminologies that we use in the sharing settings. We can access the sharing settings from the setup. Quick search, you have to just give the sharing. You can search with sharing, then you will find a link under security. This is sharing settings. Whenever you open up the sharing settings, manage sharing setting for all objects, or it will give you the okay all the available objects. As soon as you create the object, that object will come to this list, guys. We have created some custom objects, right? Policies and policy plans. Okay. See, we can see that also. Policy and policy. Like each and every object which is present in your arc will available for this sharing settings. In case you would like to see the sharing setting for particular object, then you can just filter out that thing, then it will just display that particular object sharing setting. Okay. Or else, if you select all objects, then it will display all objects sharing settings. Right now, I just selected all objects, guys, because I would like to explain you what are the different types of sharings we have. Okay. So, as part of the sharing settings, the major things that we are going to learn is about the argwide defaults. They call it as a OWD also, guys. Some people will ask you like, have you worked on argwide defaults? Can you explain about me the argwide defaults? Some people will ask a question saying that, can you explain about the OWD which is present in Salesforce? So OWD is the keyword, I mean shortcut keyword, and argwide default is the full form. Okay. So default sharing settings by default for an object, whatever the value that you selected in the argwide default. Okay, it's simply like default sharing settings. Okay, that we can configure in the argwide defaults, and then there is another option. Okay, individual sharing rules. For each and every object you will find, you can write the sharing rules, guys. Okay. So just compare this with profiles and permission sets. Okay. In the profiles, we can provide some permissions, right? And if we want to extend those permissions, we will set up permission sets, right? The same way, by default, using argwide default is the one we will provide default sharing access. In case if we would like to extend that access for a set of users, okay, that is the time. For example, argwide default, we don't give an access to particular object, okay, but now I want to give access to that particular object to set of people. Then obviously I'm going to write a sharing rule. This is extending the arg by default access. We use sharing rules. Okay. So arg by default access is the default access that applies for all the users, like all the profile users. Okay. Then sharing rules are the ones in case if we want to extend the access. It's again the same thing, guys. If you want to extend the access, then only we will use the sharing rules. Using sharing rules, we can't reduce the access that was provided in the OWD. Okay. So using OWD, what are the different types of accesses that we can provide? Okay. In case, for example, lead record. Lead is the object. Any record, any records which is created under lead record, it's a public read write transfer, guys. Okay, they set it as a public read write transfer. That means that is the most level of access. That means anybody can read the thing, anybody can write means edit. Okay, here the terminology is anybody can read it, anybody can write it. That means they can edit it and they can transfer it. That means if I am the owner, I can transfer my record to some other person. Okay, let me just open up the leads. Okay. So read means I can view this record and I have the option of edit the records. Okay. And I have the option of change the owner. Transfer is nothing but the changing the owner. This record is assigned to me. Okay. BNB IT services. I can change it to some other user. Okay. If I have the transfer permission on the argwide defaults, then only I'll get an option of changing the record from me to another user. This option I'll get only in case if I have the transfer permission. Okay. So this is the highest permission, guys. Public read write transfer. That means you can do anything. I can read it, I can edit it, and I can transfer it. Okay. So, can I provide the delete permission using sharing settings? No. Records delete permission is not possible sharing settings. It's obviously that's the edit, create, delete permissions on the object level. Okay. And the relationship between the sharing settings and the profiles and permission sets is if you have your access on the profile. Oh, let me just open up a notepad here, guys. Okay. So we are discussing about the sharing settings used to control records sharing. Okay. Basically, we will just note down in the sharing settings, basically two things, OWD and sharing rules. These are the two things that we are going to manage. Okay. OWD is the default sharing access. So default sharing access, and using sharing rules, we can extend the sharing access. Okay. So OWD and sharing rules. OWD argvide defaults we use for default sharing access. And if we want to extend, then we use the sharing rules. So what are the different types of default sharing access that we can provide is private is the one. Okay. Private. Now let's go to this. Okay. What or you are seeing, we can just write it as a. One is private, then public read only, public read write, public read write transfer. Okay. And then controlled by the parent is something that we are seeing. And what we can see is the public full access. Okay. And price books, we are just going to see use. Okay. Campaigns, public full access is the one. Okay. But basically for most of the objects, what we are seeing is private, public read write. Okay. Public read only, public read write transfer, controlled by parent. Okay. Almost all the things are just normal these things only. For example, lead, it's public read write transfer. Accountant contracts, it's public read write. Contact, which is saying controlled by parent. Order is saying controlled by parent. Asset is saying controlled by parent. Public read write. Then for the campaigns alone, you are seeing public full access. Okay. This you will see only for the campaign. No other object has this feature. Okay. How can I say? I can click on edit. Okay. If you see the lead object, guys, you have only these four options: public, public read only, public read write, transfer. You cannot provide public full access for lead object. Okay. The same way for other things also. Account and contracts also. For the leads and cases only, you will have the transfer operation, guys. Basically, those are the ones that we have assignment rules, right? If you remember, we have assignment rules only for the leads and cases. So those are the two places we will just transfer the records from one person to another person, right? That's the reason those are the two ones they have transfer things. or else rest of the things, opportunities, leads. So we will not have the transfer operations. Okay. For the campaigns alone that you can see along with the, you can have public full access. Okay. You will not see public full access for any other things. Okay. Then price books is the one that you are seeing no access, view only, use. Okay. Price books, no access, view only, use. Okay. This is the price books has the different kind of access levels, but no need to explain all these things, guys. If you are able to explain about, because nobody is going to work on full things, right? So if you are able to explain about these things, okay, because these five are the general things that we use for almost 90% of the objects. But when we are discussing about the, but also remember about the public full access, um, only used for campaigns and price books also, because we are saying that we have worked on the price books, product management, and we have worked on the marketing also, right? So we have to learn about the these two things also, because these are the two which have price books. Okay, this has no access, or use, and what is the other thing? It has view only. Okay. Basically, you try to explain about these four very clearly. Then, if especially they ask the questions, uh, what is the default sharing for the that we can do for the campaigns is, you can just say it as a campaigns has extra sharing permission like public full access. Okay. And price books has something like that, view, use, no access. Okay. So before dealing with these two things special, I can say uh, special kind of sharing. I'll say this is general sharing levels. Okay. So by default, by general, these are the ones, these are available for this also I'll just make it as a special only, because this is available for only cases leads. Okay. So under the argvide defaults, now we are discussing about the default internal access, default external access. That means we are discussing about the sharing access levels. Okay. Sharing access levels. So general sharing access levels are the private, public read write, public read only, controlled by parent. Apart from these general access levels, there are special kind of sharing access levels. Okay. These are something like that, like public read write. Okay. Public read write transfer, which is available for only cases and leads. Public full access, which is available for cases, campaigns, and no access, use, view only. Okay. This is available for no access, use, view only. This is available for price books. Okay. So these are like special access levels. So now we are going to learn about what is this individual access level do. So if I give access level as private, how the records will behave. If I give access level of public read write, how the records will behave. Okay. The same way we are going to learn about one by one access level. Okay. Any questions till now, guys? What is sharing settings? What is the default sharing settings and what is the use of sharing rules? And what are the different types of access levels are present? So these are the things. So any questions till now? I'm going to give you a small pause here. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay. Then let me move on about how it behaves in each and everything. Private, okay? Private in the sense of we are three people, okay? Let us assume we are 3 to 4 people. We are creating the records on object which sharing access in the OWD is private, okay? That means you can access your records. I can see my records. Like I can't see your records because records access level is private. I can't see your records. You can't see my records. Okay. Only they can see their own records. Okay. That is private. You can see your own records until and unless you have view all permission on the profile, and also you should have create permission on the record. Okay, so private is something like that. People can see their own records, their own records. So people can see their own records if they have read permission on profile or permission set. Okay, we can provide the read permission on object level. Okay. People can see their own records if they have read permission on their. People can see their own records if they have read permission on object level. Sentence is not forming correctly. People can see their own records if they have read permission on profile and permission, or read permission on their res- under assigned profile or permission set for this object. Okay. So whatever the object you have selected, OW is the private. Okay. You can see your own records if you have read permission on your profile or permission sets. So if you don't have read permission itself, guys, obviously you can't see that particular object itself, right? In the object level, if you don't have the read permission, obviously you can't see that object on your any of the applications because you don't have the read permission. So obviously if you are not able to see the object, how can you see the records? That is not possible, right? You are not able to see the object. That means you don't have permission to that object itself. Then obviously you can't see anything on your You can see that object records also. So private is sense of, I mean, they will ask you the question. In my profile level, I don't have the read permission, but my OWD for that particular object is private. So can I see my own records? Obviously, private is in the sense of we can see our own records. Okay, we can't see the others' records, the records which are created by others. Okay, we can see our own records, the records which are owned by us. Okay, that is something like that. Then can I see it? Even if I don't have the profile level permission, then obviously no, we can't see it. If we want to see the records, first we have the permission on the object level. Okay, then only we can see the records. Okay, that is private. Then public read write. Public read write means people can see all the records. Okay, irrespective to the records created by you or the records created by other people, whatever it is, people can see, can read and write. Okay, I can say instead of see keyword, I can just use read. People can read. Okay. Public read write means people can read and edit all the records. Okay. The records created by any person. But only clause there is they should have read and edit permission on profile level. Okay. If they don't have read and edit permission on the object for the profile level, no, they can't do for the records also. Okay. So this is something like that. People can read and edit edit all the records, not their own records. All the records which are present in the object. Okay. If they have read and edit permissions on their assigned profile or permission set for this object. The same thing. If they don't have edit permission, but OWD is public read write, still they can't edit the records. Okay. If they want to edit the records, you have to have edit permission on your profile and permission set. Even though if you have edit permission and if your OWD is public read write, okay, then what you can do is you can edit the records. Okay. If you have read and edit permission and if your OWD is private, okay, still what you can do is people can read and edit also, guys. Here also they can edit it. Even though the profile is, they can read and edit their own records if they have read and edit permissions on their assigned profile. The only difference between the private and public read write, guys, both the things, if you have whatever the permission that you have in your profile level, you can do that respective operation only. But the difference is in case of private, you can do on your own records. That means where the record is created by you or the records where you are the owner. Okay, that is the one. The private will apply. Public read write is something like that. You can edit the records which are owned by other people also. Okay, that is public read write. And the next thing is public read only. Okay, public read only is in the sense of people can read the records. Okay. People can only read the records, even though if you have edit permission on your profile. Okay. People can read all the records, not only their own records, they can read all the records which are present in the object. If they can, people can read, can only read, I can say. People can only read all the records which are present in the object if they have read and edit permissions. So actually you have edit permission on your profile, but you don't want people to edit the records. Okay. That is the case. You will just make it as a public read only. That means you can only edit your records, but others can't edit the records. People, you can edit your own records, but others can only do the read only. Because you are able to edit your own records, because you have edit permission on your profile. That's the reason you can edit your own records. But other peoples can only read the records, even though they have the edit permission, but they can't edit the records because the record level sharing for everybody is, for others is public read only. Public read only means you can edit your records if you have edit permission, but for other people it's just read only. For all other people, they just use it as a read only purpose. Okay. That means still your records are available for others, but they can just do the read only, guys. Okay. Public read write means it is available for others and they can read and they can write it. Private means the records itself, it's not available. Okay. Private, public read only, and public read write. Let me just change it this way so it is very clear. In all these three things, your profile has, okay, person's profile in all the private, public read only, and public read write. All these three types, profiles has read and edit permission on the object level. Okay, all the three cases, the profile level permission for that particular object is read and edit. Okay. But still, if you make the OWD is private, you can access your records. You can read and edit your records. You can't read and edit others' records. Okay. And in case of public read only, okay, you can edit your own records. That means you can read and edit your own records. You can read and edit your own records, but you can read, but other people can only read all the records. They can't edit. We can edit our own records, but others' records, we can just have read only permission. We can just read the others' records. Okay. And public read write means, okay, you can read as well as you can edit. That's it. Okay. And the last thing is controlled by parent, guys. Controlled by parent, generally this will come automatically in case of master detail relationship. Okay. Whenever there are two objects are connected with master detail relationship, then automatically the child record access level is controlled by parent. If we go to our sharing settings, contact. So account is the master object for contact, right? So whatever the access level that you have selected here, same kind of access level applied for contact. So whatever the account access level that you have given, the same access level will apply for contact also. And in case, let's see our things, policy plans we have created, right? See, policy plan is saying that controlled by parent because here we have the master detail relationship, right? And policy plan is having again individual relationship. Policy is the master detail we have. That's the reason it is saying controlled by parent. Okay. Whatever the parent access level is given, the same applied by child one. Okay. And here again a question will bring up here, guys. Policy has two master details, right? One is for account and another one is for policy plans. So, like it is controlled by parent. Both account and policy plan are the parents for policy, right? Then which access will apply to policy record? Okay. This is your interview question. In case of junction objects, like policy is the junction object, okay? Policy plan is one of the parent and account is one of the parent. Let me just open up that policy plan object. Okay. Controlled by parent, that will come in case of master detail relationship. So whatever the access level that you selected for master record, that will automatically applied for parent, sorry, child records. So in case of policies, we have one master detail to account and another master details to policy plan. In this case, for example, in account level, I have given public read only. In policy plan level, I have given public read write. In that case, what sharing will apply for policy record? Okay. It is going to be decided by what is the primary master detail field that you created, guys. Primary is nothing but the first master detail. Okay. First, if you create the policy plan master detail, then it will apply the policy plan sharing settings that you have given. Or else, first you have created the account master detail. Then it applies the account. It's always the first master detail field that you have created on this particular object is the one which is controlling the child access. Always we can create only two master details, right? So the first master detail field is the one that is going to control the child access. Okay. Now I'm going to the sharing settings. This is something we can't change it also. If you click on the edit button, if you try to change the policy, okay, you will not get that option itself. Okay. You will not get that option in the set of list of objects. Policy object you will not get also. Because that is always controlled by the parent. Okay. If I change the account, okay, account and contact. Right now it's public read write, right? If I change in the account level as a public read only, the same access will apply for the policy plans also. Okay. Then you might have another question. We have contact is also like a master detail, right? It was saying controlled by parent. it is having the availability to change the records, then why not for the policy records? Okay. So guys, if you see, contact and accounts has the lookup relationship, but it behaves like a master detail. So we told that as the special relationships. So they are actually lookup, but they behaves like a master detail, right? That's the reason in the sharing rules also you will have the ability to control them. But our custom objects is something like that. It's a clear cut. They are master details one. If I create the master detail, it behaves like a master detail only. If I create the lookup, it behaves like a lookup only. It will never behave like a master detail if you create the lookup relationship. Okay. That's the reason in your custom objects, you will not find this kind of drop downs like controlled by parent and rest of the things together you will not get for the custom objects, but you will get these kind of things for the standard objects because they behave like a combination of lookup and master detail. That means for the view purpose they are lookup, but for the actual working behavior they are master details. That we have seen it, right? So don't get confused, and nobody will ask you this much of detail, guys. Okay. But they'll ask you, do you know any special relationships that we have in Salesforce? You have to explain about this contact accounts, like account and opportunities. Like these are some special relationships. So now controlled by parent is basically something like that. This we have this um like applies same permission. I mean, basically this is available. This is available for master detail relationship objects. If they want to tricky you, you are saying controlled by parent is available in master detail relationship objects. Then I can see in the contact object, I can see other, um, master detail relationship object, and you will not get an option to select other permissions. You will not get an option to change other level of access on child object. Okay, on the master object, whatever you apply, basically this is available for master detail relationship object, and whatever the access level selected on master object will apply same access for child object. And also we are saying you will not get an option to change other level of access on child object. So when we click on edit and when we try to change it, you will not get an option. Then immediately, mostly they'll not ask, but there are some people they'll ask you. See, on the contact object also has controlled by parent option, but still I have the option to getting other access also. In such cases, you have to explain about the special relationship fields like contacts, accounts. They have special relationship with the contacts, opportunities. They have special relationship with the account. They looks like a lookup relationship, but they behaves like a master detail as they are behaving both the relationships to relationship pairs together. That's the reason you were getting all those options. Nobody will ask you such kind of deep question, guys, but I'm just giving you the info what you to answer if they ask such kind of deep questions also. But I have never seen any interview was asking that much of deep, but they will ask you about, they expect to explain about all these four types. Okay, what are the general access levels that we can provide and what are the special kind of sharing levels. So tomorrow I will explain about these special kind of sharing levels. Okay. So today it's general sharing access level. Private, public read only, public read write, and controlled by parent. So this is not specific that you need to learn. It is something controlled by parent is in the sense of basically this is available in master detail relationship. Okay. And if the parent is private, then child records also behave like a private. Public read only, public read write. Okay. So you need to understand about what is private, what is public read only, and what is public read write. Private is in the sense of you can read and edit of your own records. You cannot read and edit of others' records. Public read only means you can read and edit your own records if you have edit permission on your profile, but others can, for others records, it is just a read only for you. Even though you have edit permission for the object, you can't edit others records because the record level sharing is read only. Okay. Public read write means yes, if you have edit permission, you can read and edit. Is it clear, guys, what is private, what is public read only, and what is public read write, and what is controlled by parent? Okay. Silence, I am taking it as a you are clear. Okay. I'll upload this video as early by afternoon itself. If you are not clear, you can watch this video one more time. Okay. Then if you have any questions, we will discuss on about tomorrow's class. That's it for today, guys. Uh, Yashwant, are you ready?
Madam, I prepared, but